Do you want to know how you can add threads to your collection in Perplexity AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your threads in your collection. So go ahead and open Perplexity AI on your Chrome or Edge account and then log into your Perplexity account. Now let's start giving new threads. Let's go ahead and click this. Our llama and alpaca different, so you can see that the answer has been there, so you can go ahead and read it. And if you want to start a new collection, you can see collection over the top. Click on collection, write the title of the collection. There is the emoji section. Click on the plus button. You can give any kind of emoji you want. Write down the description over here, and you can give AI prompt to give instructions to the AI that affect every thread in the collection. So after you give AI prompt, click create, and you can see that your collection has been created. So it's quite simple, guys. You can see that it has been collected with this collection over here. So if you want to add other threads to your collection, all you need to do is click on these previous threads, click on collection, which you can see on the top, and you can create a new collection, or you can just add it to the previous collection which you had just made. You can see that this thread has now been added to this collection. I hope this video about how you can add your threads to collection in Perplexity AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure to enjoy.